Hi, grade 10s. We are looking at module 9, and module 9 refers to the perspective drawings, the one-point perspective drawings, which we are going to look at in a moment. And I want to introduce to you the first two one-point perspective drawings which we are going to be tackling at this moment. If you look at the one on the left-hand side, and just basically give you what the rules are in terms of perspective drawings. So we have a box of which that is the top view. Here is the box seen from the front. So this line that you see here on top basically refers to that surface which you see there. Okay, and this line here in your top view refers to this front view that you see right there. So basically, if I have to put it in 3D, I will draw the front view of that box, and I will add my top to that front, and immediately you will have a side that formulates like that. So basically that is what we are looking at. This being the top, which is that over there, and that being the front, which is that over there. Then of course we have three lines on our page which have been given as well. We have our picture plane, which is abbreviated as PP, and you will find that the box has 2 points basically situated on the picture plane, which is point number 1, or should I say corners, and corner number 2, corner 1 and corner 2, and both corners connect, which forms a surface which you see here in this front view. Then there are 2 corners which are not situated on the picture plane, and those 2 corners have a different set of rules which I will explain. Then we have our ground line, which is the natural ground line where the box is situated on, and that is normally the floor level. And then we have our horizon line, and this means that this line has the ability to either move up and down depending on where it's situated in a specific drawing. We have our stationary point, which is the point where you are standing literally and looking at this box, and by standing here you are going to see the front of the box, and you're going to see the side of the box, and hopefully if you're higher than the box itself, you are going to see the top as well in a 3D format. So just to take you through the steps, the first thing that you are going to do as step 1 is you are going to project this up so that it crosses the horizon line. Wherever it crosses the horizon line, that is going to be your vanishing point, and you are going to dot it and label it VP for vanishing point. You will see that happening in my drawing as I go through the different motions of the steps. Then of course you will project that corner and that corner straight down, as the rule applies to these 2 corners to be brought straight down once it touches the picture plane. You will find your height of your box from this front view here, which you are going to project over, and in this space you will have that specific view there projected from the top down. Then of course all the points which you will see here will go to my vanishing points, and these points that are not situated on the picture plane will have to be drawn in line, and when I say in line, you link it up with your stationary point like that until it meets up with the picture plane, both that one and this one as well, and then you can project it down so that it is going to shape the side here. And the same will apply to this drawing. In fact, here you have more lines as it is shaped with a channel inside. The rules remain the same. You will start with your vanishing point, and you will project these points touching the picture plane straight down. Points not touching will be drawn to your stationary point, and then once it gets to your picture plane, it will be brought straight down. All these points here in your front view will be projected to the new developed vanishing point that you will see happening directly above the stationary point. Watch carefully how this drawing unfolds so that you will be able to complete both these 1-point perspectives in each case.